These two car brands are recall kings in the US. Recalls abound for two of America's most well-known brands. The word recall is one that every manufacturer dreads hearing. Recently, General Motors came under fire after the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration declared a potential threat owing to headlamp glare concerns affecting 740,000 GM C-Terrain SUVs from the previous generation. The NHTSA said that certain weather circumstances such as snow and fog could result in light from the non-compliant lamp providing veiling glare to other motorists driving. Despite the automotive conglomerate's claims that the issue has no bearing on vehicle safety. As a result, GM is recalling about 700,000 vehicles produced between 2010 and 2017. The solution's cure is still being developed, with owners expecting to be notified by April 23, 2022. However, GM isn't the only American company that has issued a significant recall. Ford previously had to recall almost 300,000 F-150 trucks owing to a malfunctioning master cylinder that might cause braking failure. Ford F-150 pickups with the turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine from 2013 to 2017 were affected. However, the issue looks to be rearing its ugly head once more. Aside from the 175,370 Ford F-150 produced from 2016 to 2018, 15,500 Lincoln Navigators and 90,000 Ford Expeditions produced from 2016 to 2017 are also affected. All of them are powered by 3.5-liter EcoBoost engines. The brake master cylinder may cause brake fluid to flow from the front wheel circuit into the brake booster, according to the NHTSA. Of course, this is a serious problem, as the report states. Reduced brake operation in the front wheels might increase stopping distance, increasing the risk of a crash. Naturally, dealers will replace the brake master cylinder at no cost. The brake booster will need to be changed if the component is leaking. Via April 25, 2022, owners of these affected vehicles will be notified by mail. It's been a particularly difficult time for the Dearborn-based company in terms of recalls. A recall for 2015 to 2017 Mustangs was issued in February of this year, due to malfunctioning backup cameras that could suddenly display nothing on the screen, increasing the danger of a pedestrian-related accident. It's only fair to point out that, while GM and Ford have had their fair share of recalls in recent years, other manufacturers have also been the subject of significant recalls. BMW recently had to recall a staggering 1 million automobiles owing to a potential fire hazard. Even Porsche, a manufacturer of meticulously constructed precision driving equipment, is caught in the clutches of the heinous recall. The Taycan was subject to a recall earlier this year due to incorrectly fitted seatbelt wiring, which could result in child seat fastening issues. What to do if your car is recalled. You may be unsure what to do if your vehicle is subject to a recall. Hearing that the vehicle you drive every day may have a possible safety hazard might be alarming. Knowing what to do in the event that your vehicle is recalled might put your mind at ease. Once you've discovered that your car or parts are subject to a recall, having them fixed should be your top priority. According to the NHTSA, the manufacturer is required by law to choose one of three alternatives for resolving the problem. Fix. The manufacturer will repair the vehicle or part at no cost to you. Replacement. If the fault can't be rectified, the manufacturer may be able to provide you with a similar or identical car. Refund. The manufacturer has the option of refunding the vehicle's purchase price, less a reasonable sum for depreciation. Manufacturers of vehicle equipment, such as car seats, have the same possibilities. Furthermore, the NHTSA claims that if you have already paid for repairs for a recalled fault, you may be eligible for a refund. If you believe your vehicle is subject to a safety recall, contact your manufacturer or repair center right away to learn more about your choices. The recall could be only precautionary, but it could necessitate immediate action. In any case, ensuring that the repair is completed as quickly as feasible is a wise precaution.